Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head down to North Palm Beach, Florida. And we're going to fly the Mavic 3 for a beautiful sunset flight over $1 million yachts. That's my boat right there, not one of the $1 million yachts. But I took off right from my dock. That's the Intercoastal Waterway right there, with Singer Island and the Atlantic Ocean off in the distance. I'll give you a look around and take a look at this beautiful sunset. Gorgeous. And take a look at these $1 million yachts. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. And let me zoom in on Munyon Island for you. And now I'll do the 28 time zoom to Little Munyon Island. I love this zoom on the Mavic 3. Needless to say, I love flying my drone right from my dock. I just wanted to get a quick flight in, and I was blessed with another beautiful sunset. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.